Another day on Beyond the Run.
I've been feeling the best on this trip. I've been really like looking around and saying wow, 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 a lot more than I did on the other trips.
Okay, we have all the contacts. So if there are any places that you've liked on the show that you've seen and you want to visit, you can always call us or write in, and we can tell you where they are and how to get in touch with them and how to go there.
Can you feel monsoon?
You can see it. I can see it.
I've trekked in this area. I've trekked in this area before, and you have to finish trekking by 2 o'clock in the afternoon.
Or else.
Where it starts raining.
It is. Look at the drops.
Droplets.
It's raining. It's raining.
First time it's raining, huh?
First time
On this trip, on the entire trip.
पेट्रोल पंप किधर है भाई?
पेट्रोल पंप है सामने नीचे.
Okay, you can see big shower clouds above our head, thunderstorm clouds above our heads, and it's all becoming very exciting right now. Solid lightning happened. Solid, big one.
आई बारिश आई ये देख बारिश 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 बारिश.
Rain is falling, chama cham cham. Our first rains on Beyond the Run. Since we've been out for 3 months, this is the first time that our cars are getting wet by rainwater.
It's not only the first time that it's rained on Beyond the Run, it's the first time that we've had hail on Beyond the Run.
Hail. Hail. Hail.
The weather's become so cloudy and dark and
Gloomy, no?
yeah, gloomy at like 10:30 in the morning. I just saw a raindrop being whacked by your. He just coming down so sweet.
This is an ideal day just to sit at home, by a fire,
Oh,
and
read a
watch
nice
a few
book.
movies.
But of course, we are on the run.
I always get wet on the first day. I go and stand on my balcony also from at home in Bombay. I was so excited to stand out.
It's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring. He went to bed and bumped his head and couldn't get up in the morning.
We are on our way to Uttarkashi, and tomorrow we're going to do something that I wanted to do for a very, very long time. It's supposed to be a very difficult trek. Sela ka papa raha abhi.
Why are you और डरा दे मतलब
मैं फोन कर रहा हूँ तुमको.
And as usual, I'm scared of my knee.
Sarah, you should take a mule. We've lived on mountains before. We've lived by the beach before. We've lived in a jungle before. We lived in a tree also. Not lived by a glacier. Spotted a very dangerous looking bridge over there, so we're going to see whether we want to walk across it or not. It's a little trek down. Sarah, do you want to come down? No?
See,
Okay,
but
I
I'm
think
only
she should
going
not.
like till the distance where I think I
It
can
looks
go.
pretty steep from here, so I don't want to be tomorrow's trek is. I don't want to ruin my chances of going.
Okay, so we'll see you guys downstairs.
Bye. Please be careful.
The climb down from the road was a little bit steep in a couple of places, a little bit slippery in a couple of places, but overall it was not that as difficult as it looked from the top. I really wish Sarah had come, but I'm sure she can see us from up here. Okay, by the way, this bridge is still under construction, it's not ready. This bridge is not even completed, it's not even nailed to the ground, it's just been like placed across like that. It's not even nailed at either ends. The trick is to not look down. Even though I was looking at the middle of the bridge when I was walking, because that was the only way to go, I kept thinking that the bridge itself was moving under my feet and I was stationary. I don't even know how to swim. If I had fallen in, it would have been the end of my story.
Anushka's already at that end, and with her walking on the bridge, I could feel it move over here. It's quite frightening.
Okay, Purab seems to be measuring every step as he comes in our direction to this side of the bridge. Don't hold on to the railings, it's too far apart. आराम से आ, कुछ नहीं होगा, आराम से आजा. Leave the railing. Just walk in the center.
Can we go up from here and the cars pick us up from this side? This is a perfect bridge for bungee jumping. Around 150 feet to go down. And with the bungee cord, the bridge also provides a lot of elasticity. Look at this.
I've never encountered a bridge like that, let alone cross it. So this is the first time.